So you are going to want to watch this video. Of course, I've seen the outcome of the trade, but this video, at the end of it, you're going to see the reality of trading, exactly what happens, things that happens that's out of your control, things that you can't really expect. You're going to see everything, right? Just watch the whole video. Okay, so I'm looking at this supply setup right now. This setup right now is counter trend, so it's a bit more risky than usual, but I do like the way it looks. There's a few other confluences. So if the setup does win, then I guess we're going to see exactly why. But let's see if we can get an entry first though. So this is a supply setup on gold at the moment. Okay, I'm in this trade. Stop loss is kind of tight. Already down 100, but let's see if we can keep melting. Alright, yeah, the trade's looking beautiful so far. Now it's just about letting it do its thing. So on this trade, we just have a change of character so far. That was all we got, right? But gold has been pushing up for a little bit, so I think it's time for a little retracement. And we had a nice supply zone right there with no fair value gaps at the top or anything. So it is still high probability setup for sure, 100%. This rejection is not good right now though, but it's got good volume though. Amazing rejection. Yeah, this trade is GG's. Almost at 1R. As soon as we can hit 1R, then I'll probably move this trade to break even. Because we filled all the gaps above as well, we literally shouldn't be going back up anymore. I will hit 1K now. Okay, stops at break even. So we can't lose this trade anymore. So literally $500 more and I'm out. Oof, okay, never mind. We just need this to melt right now, man. That's it. Just a cheeky little melt. It's consolidating a little bit, but we just need it to melt and then we're good. Oh, there we go. We got all we needed. Okay, so now we can hit 2K, I'm up. We've hit it. Missed on my exit though. And that happened pretty quick, you know. Can we get again though? Okay, that rejection is crazy. What? What? Don't tell me it's one of those ones where we're not gonna get the exit again. It literally tapped it and rejected immediately. Bro, you're kidding. Okay, we're still getting some rejections though. If we can just keep rejecting, go back to the exit, then I'll be out this time. I literally didn't even have enough time to leave. Where my TP is right now isn't actually where I was going to leave, right? I just kind of put it there because whatever. I was going to leave manually as soon as we hit that 2K mark, but I think we might get stopped at break even, man. Okay, we're rejecting though, slightly. Yeah, look, we're rejecting slightly, but there we go. There we go. Yeah, nah. How many times are gonna reject? Like, just keeps rejecting and going back there. So I think we're cooked. I could close now, but look at the rejection. It does look good. It just depends if we have enough sellers. That's not a bad close. break that candle, I'm probably out, man. It's GG's if we do. Yeah, I'm out. But my magic keys aren't working. I'm out. Take me out of the trade. What's this? What is going on today? I don't understand. Alright, let me explain this trade. Looking at the 15 right now, we can see price is definitely bullish. So that was a counter trend setup, 100%. A bit more risky, but I was still able to see that price is gonna melt. Now how? Alright, look. We have a demand setup right here. Price tapped into the demand zone. So this was very risky when you actually think about it, because price should then continue pushing upwards. Should be. They might even continue pushing upwards later down the line. We don't know yet. But when we go to the 3-minute now, which is what I use, here's what I saw. So this setup started like this. We obviously tapped into the zone, so this doesn't really matter at the moment. But we have this. We broke this low right here, and then I was either waiting for them to come down to this demand zone right here, or price is going to go here first and then eventually find its way down here. So I can make money in two ways: either take it up here or take it down here. So I figured, you know what, there is no fair value gap at the top. If you look at this, there's no fair value gap at the top, so it looks good. It means that they don't really have a reason to go past this zone right here. So I even could have entered aggressive, but no one's trying to take that kind of risk, right? So in this case now, once price tapped into the zone, I took my entry and I was leaving at a 1 to 2. 1 to 2 was what I wanted, just a simple 1 to 2, and I'll be happy days. So here's what happened. Obviously price played around. We literally tapped the 1 to 2 and rejected immediately. That rejection was kind of peak. We didn't get a second opportunity at all. And if we go down to the 1 minute, you will see that we did have a demand zone. So literally the moment price tapped into this zone right here, the moment price filled the gap right here, it was GG's. They tapped into it and pushed all the way up. And what's funny enough though, what makes this even more annoying low-key, is that after I got stopped out at break even, so I didn't lose a trade, so it's not bad, right? This was break even, is that price went up and melted all the way down anyway. And this is where we're at right now in real time. So the thing about trading is this happens. There's not, like, sometimes I do wish I traded on like TradingView. If I could trade directly on TradingView, things would be slightly easier. But this is the reality of it. When you're trading on a different broker, things might not align slightly. You don't really have enough time. You know, trading on the lower time frame, this is the case as well. So we literally tapped it to the T, and I missed the exit. But obviously, good risk management though. That's what's key. At the end of the day, I didn't lose this trade, so I'm good. I don't mind. I'm not complaining at all, because you can see, didn't lose it. Break even was set, so we played it safe. Could have waited, yes, but I'm not trying to risk this, right? Like, if this didn't come back down, then it's GG's, but nobody knows. I didn't know this was going to happen, so I'm still happy I went break even. It's fine. Risk management is just key. That's the key lesson here. Things like this will happen from time to time. It's just, you just never know. Like, you never really know when it's going to happen. This rarely happens. This hasn't happened in months. The last time this happened to me has been several months ago. But that's pretty much the trade anyway. Still a very good setup. Now if you do want to trade with me, you want to learn exactly how I trade, my exits, my entries, literally everything that I do, exactly how I do it, then there is a link below. It is at a discounted price at the moment, so I highly recommend you do hop in because the spaces are limited. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.